I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning, y'all. I woke up at 5 something. This little spot I want to get up to right up here. It's a little parking spot that I'm going to go into right here. Anyway, so I won pool last night, guys. Oh, I was so excited. I won pool. I'm like, go Terri, go Terri, go Terri. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Anyway, I got work today. I'm wearing it's Imago Dei, and on the back, you can't read it, but it says in his image, and it's got the picture, from the, I don't remember who painted it, but it was up in the chapel on the roof where the creator hand and then Adam's hand where they're touching. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. But I won. Today's going to be a little sketchy. I went ahead and left the dog door open. We're supposed to have storms today. I've medicated all the pups, and we'll see what kind of storms we get. It said possible hail and thunderstorms, so I was like, all right, babies, I'm just going to give you what you need, so then they can just do what they got to do. So they'll probably be out pacing and stuff for about an hour. Then they're all going to take a nice long nap. Yeah, so I won pool. Oh, I woke up at 5. I've been awake since about 5. Oops, there's a motion detected at your back porch. That's because the dogs are out back. Anyway, so I woke up at 5, and I was like, dang it, what the heck? It made me mad. But so finally at 5:30, I got up, took a shower because I smelled like a bar from last night. So I went out. Usually I don't shower on Fridays if I showered yesterday. It's just the only way I keep my skin fine with my eczema. But anyway, but I went ahead and took a shower because I smelled like a bar. And then, yeah, so then I've been up and it's 6:40. I don't need to be leaving for work right now, but I've told y'all I don't have to be at work till 8 o'clock. And I literally live about 7 or 8 minutes from work. Yeah. But I can't just sit around the house. The dogs pace, and they're like, what's going on? Why is she still here? Are we doing something? And then they pace, and they pace, and they stare. So it's like, it's just easier to come on to work. So, did I get it? Yeah, I got it. So I'm still a little tired. But yeah, I don't know what the walking situation is going to be like. It's all wet out on the ground, so it definitely rained at some point this morning or last night. So anyway, yeah, so I'm going to let you people go. Just wanted to give you a heads up. It's going to be stormy today. Look at these clouds, y'all. Hey, that's, it's only 7:07. Listen, close your eyes. You're going to be facing outward today. I just don't have the gumption to straighten my arm. I woke up at 5 o'clock, and now it's hitting me, and I'm tired. I've only been up 2 hours, but I went to bed at 11:15, 11:30, somewhere around there last night. So I don't know why my brain decided, come on, let's get out of bed. That's a great idea. No, it wasn't. Like I said, if you get seasick, just look away for a little bit. I'm going to go down to that stop sign. I won't record the whole time. But anyway, so we're supposed to get rough weather today. And I'm like, you know what, Carn Flabbit, take your butt to the stop sign and get a few steps in this morning. I don't track my steps like one of my coworkers. I told her I was walking more. She's like, oh, how many steps are you getting a day? I'm like, I don't know. Because y'all know I have trouble with commitment issues. I can commit to food. And I've committed to playing pool every week. And I've committed to 6 weeks of my ladies' Bible study. Except last Monday I didn't go. So I've committed to these things. But I just can't. I don't want to commit to one more thing in life. So I'm not committing to so many steps, because then it's like, then you gotta, oh, I need more steps. Oh, did I get enough steps? Yeah, I'm not about that life. I do good with tracking my food, and that's good enough for me. But I figure I'm moving, and that's more than I was doing, a month ago. I tell you, these shoes I have, they're Skechers, and they're a slip-in shoe, and I love them. However, the top of them, let me tell you about my feet. Anyway, the top of them is too tight, and it pushes down on the top part of my foot, So I tried stretching them, but that didn't work. But so for the longest time, when I was in the 300s, I was hot all the time. Well, of course, I had all that excess fat on my body. So I wore sandals a lot. Like even in the wintertime, I wore sandals. So my feet were not being held together inside of a shoe. So my foot, instead of, it's kind of slowly spread out. And so I didn't have that support in my feet. So not only are my feet wide, they're just, they don't, which I think before, the top of them, like the top part of your foot, like that part there, it's a little thick anyway. But before, it wasn't as wide. I've always had wide feet because I've always been fat. But anyway, so the top of these shoes hurt because they're slip-ins, and they're like a tight leather. So if I can survive till I get home, I will, I've got these shoe stretchers, and I did it once, like I said, but I think I'll maybe put them in for like a week or something. And see, I know it's going to stretch them out, but I'm hoping that can still stretch them, if it goes out and you don't need it out, surely it'll go up. I don't know. We'll see what that does. Oh, I'm afraid it's going to start raining. I think we're going to turn around right here. Y'all, look at that sky. Look at the sky. It is dark. So they said hail and thunderstorms. So I'm not seeing a bunch of, motion detected at your back door, back porch. I'm not seeing a lot of that. So I guess they're kind of settling into their medications. But darn it, Callie will be shaking and crying. Baxter, every time there's a storm, he just jumps up. He looks around. He's like, because it startles him. So, yeah. So anyway, guys, all right. I love you all very much, and I want you all to know I appreciate you all so much. Just your being there for me emotionally. You guys are truly a really wonderful support system, and I value all. And don't forget about my community tab. If you have a link, I have a thing set up, a post. So if you have your own YouTube channel or your own channel website that you sell something, please put it on that post in my community tab, because I'd love for us to kind of support each other. Because I've got a couple of you are working on starting channels. So by George, put them on there so we can all follow each other. All right, that's enough talking. Bye. Hello. My shoe feels wet. How are you doing? It's lunchtime. It's rainy. It's kind of misty right now. But the birds are singing. They're so happy. They're like, oh, we get a bath time. Oh, all right then. Mr. Wynn said, I don't want to hear your mouth. Oh, this is what I had from last night. Gotta blow. You always want to blow your utensils off. There might be dog birds. Look at that big old honking 80-20 burger chunk. A burger. Let's think of a name for it. I don't want to call it a burger patty. It's ground beef. It's a chunk of ground beef. But what can we call it? A burger blob. Give me a name for this, y'all. Because we eat this all the time. And we're going to eat a lot more of it. Because I kind of need to save my money. Oh, I got to remember to call daycare. Hang on. Let me take this bite. I know it's good. I had it last night. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. We ain't gonna take a second bite. Somebody coming in? Whoop. Anyway. Yeah. Pool league. There's a day, and I'm not gonna tell you the date today, because somebody might get this and think they can do something. Anyway, I'm our pool league. We're gonna be going to Paducah. It's about an hour and a half away. On May. I ain't gonna tell you, I almost did. It's a Saturday. And anyway, so we're gonna go play in Paducah. Well, we're leaving early Saturday. And then there's a chance that we might not be able to come back Saturday night. Or it might be super late. This is black cherry. Black cherry. Black cherry. I'm not a black cherry fan. Kind of reminds me of Robitussin. But I drink it anyway. Y'all know that. I had a coworker pull in and need my spot. Anyway, so I got to remember to call daycare. Because I'll board the dogs. I'll drop them off on that Friday. Because I think we're leaving too early to drop them off on Saturday. And so, because I don't know what time we're leaving. Anyway, and then if I end up having to stay the night there, I can't just leave the dog door open like I do on a regular trip. So I'd be picking them up sometime Sunday. So I got to call the daycare and get that set up. And my bestie may go with me, maybe not. It's her granddaughter's birthday, so she might be spending time with the granddaughter. So she's got to find out. But anyway, that's what I know. Yeah, I'm going to go eat this and I'll see you at Leper. I doubt we're going to walk anymore. Like I said, it's misty. Ain't that a song? Something misty morning or misty waters? Misty something. Anyway, tell me what to name that burger. that ground beef thing. It ain't a burger, but it's ground beef blob. Tell me what to name a ground beef blob. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey there. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I took another walk to the bus stop, but it's so windy I can't always take y'all along. Anyway, hello. Bye. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. I'm home. I don't remember if I told y'all, but I took 2 walks. I know I told you about the one. And the second one I went to the buses. And yeah, so it is Friday night. Oh, I got laundry going. It's got 45 minutes. And because I might be going to my bestie's house tomorrow to help her. She said she would like to work in her room, maybe her closet tomorrow. So anyway, so we'll see how that goes. What do I have tonight? My meat lump. It ain't a meatloaf. It's a meat lump. It's a ground beef lump. And what I did, I put the last of the sofrito on it. So it's got my juices and a little bit of that sofrito. It kind of looks, it looks like baby poop. But sure don't taste like it. What's wrong here? Hold it up now. Okay. I agree to the terms of service. I don't know what they are. Just leave it alone. Come on now. Too many questions. I'm just trying to log in. I ain't got time for all that business. Anyway, so yeah. So my meat lump with some sofrito and then water. I really love, since I've been doing that water in the bottom of that, it cleans real easy out of the air fryer bottom. Man, I just wipe it out with a paper towel. Oh man.
Well-being isn't about big goals.
There's
It's about this.
Ryan Hall. When he pops up as live, I got to check it out because it shows the area he's looking at. It looked like Southeast Missouri. So at least like on the main thing. All right, Ryan, what you got? Springport. Where are you at? Indiana. Yeah, it showed like upper area and then right along the lower part of the Southeast Missouri down where I'm at. So I guess I'm gonna watch him a little bit. But I don't know where y'all live. And it's Friday. So hope all y'all are safe. I love you. Oh. Chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel. So I'm being productive tonight. I'm very proud of myself. Hang on. I'm going to take a bite. Oh, I need another big bite package of the chocolate peanut butter. This might be sacrilegious, but hallelujah! It's some good food, Maynard. Anyway, so I'm being productive. So I've got 2 loads of laundry. Since I'm going to Angie's tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my laundry done tonight. And I made up 8 creamies. Y'all had told me about using the Terra gum. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't watch the video about where you all said it was. Could you put a link over on the community to tell me which video it needs to be? Because I'm going to watch some Ryan Hall right now. So I ain't about to go digging. And I'm going to forget as soon as we get done talking to each other. So, yeah. So, maybe like a shorter video. A real brief video about it. But, all right. Well, I love y'all. Bye.